looked at the sun, and suddenly, achoo! Yeah, that's a thing. And here's why. About 1 in 3 people have something called the photic sneeze reflex. It's basically your brain mixing up 2 different signals, light and sneezing. When bright light hits your eyes, your optic nerve sends a, "Wow, that's bright" signal. And in some people, that signal accidentally spills over into the trigeminal nerve, which controls your nose. Your brain gets confused and thinks your nose is irritated, so it fires a sneeze like a glitch. Light, eyes, brain glitch, sneeze. So yeah, if you sneeze at the sun, you're not weird. You've just got a glitchy upgrade called achoo syndrome.